If you're tired of weak, bitter coffee or spending way too much money at coffee shops just to get a decent pour-over, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. A lot of coffee makers promise cafe quality results, but very few actually make the process simple enough for everyday use. Today, we're taking a close look at the Agogo pour-over coffee maker glass with 50 paper filters, and we'll see whether it's really worth adding to your morning routine or if you're better off choosing something else. If you enjoy fresh pour-over coffee at home, in the office, while camping, or even in a small cafe setup, this coffee maker has a lot going for it. It combines a borosilicate glass carafe, a reusable stainless steel filter, and even includes disposable paper filters, a cleaning brush, and a soft towel right in the box. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is the overall design. It has a clean, classic look that feels premium without being flashy. The thick borosilicate glass gives it a solid, sturdy feel in your hands while still looking elegant enough to leave on your kitchen counter. The wooden collar not only adds a stylish touch, but also makes it much easier to hold when the coffee is hot. Instead of feeling like a delicate glass pot that you'll constantly worry about breaking, this one feels reassuringly well made. The included accessories are also a nice bonus because you're ready to brew right out of the box instead of buying extra items separately. What really matters, though, is how it performs during everyday use. The brewing process is simple enough, even if you've never made pour-over coffee before. The double-layer 304 stainless steel filter does a good job of keeping coffee grounds out of your cup while allowing the natural oils to pass through, giving your coffee a fuller, richer flavor. If you prefer an even cleaner cup, you can switch to the included paper filters. Having both options gives you flexibility depending on your personal taste or whether you're making coffee indoors or outdoors. Another thing I appreciate is how easy this coffee maker is to clean. Many reusable coffee filters become frustrating after a few uses, but this one rinses clean surprisingly quickly. The included cleaning brush helps remove any leftover grounds, while the soft towel makes drying simple. Because the glass doesn't absorb odors or coffee stains easily, it continues looking clean even after regular use. That means less maintenance and more time actually enjoying your coffee. The borosilicate glass also deserves some attention because it handles temperature changes extremely well, whether you're pouring boiling water directly into it or taking it from a cool environment. It feels much more durable than standard glass coffee pots. That extra confidence is especially useful if you're using it while traveling, camping, or moving between different environments. It's the kind of detail you may not think about until you've accidentally cracked a cheaper coffee maker. Of course, no product is perfect. Since this is a manual pour-over coffee maker, you'll need a few extra minutes compared to automatic drip machines. If your mornings are always rushed and you simply want to press one button, an electric coffee maker may be a better fit. Also, while the glass is durable, it's still glass, so you'll want to handle it with reasonable care. Fortunately, Agogo offers a lifetime glass replacement service, which definitely adds peace of mind. So, who is this coffee maker really for? If you love fresh coffee, enjoy controlling your brewing process, and want something equally useful at home, the office, or on camping trips, it's an easy recommendation. On the other hand, if convenience is your only priority and you never want to spend a few minutes making coffee manually, you'll probably be happier with an automatic machine. Overall, the Agogo pour-over coffee maker glass with 50 paper filters delivers exactly what most coffee lovers are looking for: better flavor, thoughtful design, simple maintenance, and solid value for the price. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. And if this review helped you make your decision, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.